Tracking website changes has never been easier than with Browse AI, a tool that allows you to monitor updates on websites without any coding experience. Whether you're tracking competitors, keeping an eye on market trends, or even monitoring product prices, Browse AI can help you automate that process efficiently. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can track website changes with Browse AI quickly and effectively. First off, Browse AI is designed for users of all technical backgrounds. This means that even if you've never worked with web scraping or tracking software before, you can easily set it up. It works by allowing you to create robots that monitor specific web pages for any updates, changes, or new content. These robots are customized to your needs, whether it's tracking prices, changes in news articles, or new products being listed. The main benefit of Browse AI is that it eliminates the manual work of constantly checking a website for changes. With just a few clicks, you can set up a robot to do this automatically for you. You can track multiple websites at once, and the software will notify you whenever there's a significant change. This is especially valuable for digital marketers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who needs to stay on top of website updates without wasting time manually checking. Getting started with Browse AI is simple. Once you sign up, you can create a new robot by selecting the specific web page you want to track. From there, the software gives you options to define what exactly you want to monitor. For example, if you want to track a product price, you can highlight the price on the page, and Browse AI will focus solely on that. This makes it incredibly precise and tailored to your needs. You don't need to be a developer to set up or use these robots. The user interface is intuitive, which makes it accessible even if you're new to this kind of software. One of the standout features of Browse AI is its ability to handle complex websites. It works across dynamic pages, even those with JavaScript elements, which can be challenging for other tracking tools. This means that whether a website has constantly changing content or requires interaction, like clicking buttons, Browse AI can still capture the data you're looking for. This is a game changer for marketers and businesses who rely on dynamic web pages. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually use Browse AI to get real-time alerts on website changes? After setting up your robot, you'll get notifications on any changes that occur. Whether it's via email or through the software's dashboard, you'll stay up to date on any updates in the areas you're tracking. This can save you hours of manual monitoring, making your workflow much more efficient. The best part? You can use Browse AI completely free. By using the first link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, allowing you to explore the full potential of the software without any commitment. With this free trial, you can start tracking website changes immediately, giving you the chance to see firsthand how it can streamline your processes. If you're in digital marketing or just need to track websites for any reason, Browse AI can be a powerful tool to keep you informed and ahead of the competition. Don't forget to use the exclusive link below to unlock your extended free trial. This is the perfect opportunity to see how easy it is to automate website tracking with Browse AI without any hassle. That's it for today's video. Be sure to check out the link below for your free trial and let us know how Browse AI helps with your website tracking needs.